So we're just going to jump right into this video. If you are new here, welcome to my channel, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I recreated this Adobe Photoshop YouTube thumbnail in Canva. Once you have Canva pulled up, you want to go ahead and put in your dimension size to bring you to your blank canvas, or you can just type in YouTube thumbnail. Now that we have our blank canvas, we're going to use the elements tool and frames to get the layout we need to drop our images into. In the beginning, you saw that I had 3 vertical images in my background, so this is actually the best option to use for the 3 images. Once I have my frames set the way I want them to be, I'm going to click on uploads to add the pictures to my background. I didn't have my pictures already in Canva, so I'm just going to upload media because they're on my desktop and drop them in. Now that we have our images uploaded, we're just going to drag and drop them in our respected areas. As you can see in the right hand corner, that is the look that we're going for. Again, that was created in Adobe Photoshop, and I'm just showing you guys how to recreate this in Canva. Next, we're going to add our pop image. So just click on an additional image. You're going to edit that image and click background remover, and it will look like so. So I'm just moving this picture where I want it to fall on the page, and I wanted it to hover over the first image, or the image that looks just like it, that is similar to. This part is tricky, as you can see, because of the drag and drop feature. Depending on how you move the image, it will automatically populate, so you do have to play around with this part a little bit. As you can see, I'm having to go back through and remove the image, remove the background again, so it may take 1 or 2 times for you to get this right. Next, we're going to use the eraser tool just to clean up the image. As you can see, I'm cleaning up around my shoulder area just to make it a little bit cleaner. Okay, so we are back playing around with this picture, trying to get it in the perfect area, but now it's time to add that shadow background effect. In order to do that, we're going to click on shadows, and we're going to click on glow. It's going to auto populate to a black background, but what you're going to do is click on the 3 lines and change it to white. I'm going to repost the picture in the top right hand corner so you can see the look that we're going for. But as of right now, this is what it looks like with the white shadow in the back. So right here, there's not much to show you. Again, I'm just playing around with this image to get it exactly how I want it to lay on the thumbnail. I am going to speed this up just a little bit until I get to the next part, where I will show you how to change the opacity of the 3 images in the background, so that way this front image will pop just a little more. So stay tuned and continue watching. To change the opacity, we're just going to use the checkerbox tool and use the sliding bar to get our background image exactly where we want it to be. Now that I have the opacity of the background edited, I'm going to go back and make some more changes to our pop image. So what I'm going to do is play around with the sizing, the transparency, and the blur of the shadows for this image, so that it pops just a little more and that you can see more of the white shadow in the back. Now that I have my image the way I want it to look, it is now time to add text to my thumbnail. These fonts that I'm using are not fonts that are already populated in Canva. There are some that I downloaded and added to my Canva brand board. The reason I did this is so that no matter if I'm using Adobe Photoshop or Canva, my text slash fonts will stay consistent throughout my branding. If you are interested in learning how to add and find different fonts to use for your branding and add it into Canva, please let me know in the comments below and I'll make a video dedicated to this. Once I have my text on the screen, it is time to add my effects. So I'm going to do the same thing I did with the picture and click on shadows, change the background to white, and this time I'm going to play around with the blur and the transparency to get it the way I want it to look. As you can see, again, I added the picture in the top right hand corner so you can see the look that we are going for. Now that we have put everything together, this is the final look of our YouTube thumbnail that was created in Canva. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know your thoughts in the comments below and let me know what else you are interested in learning or looking forward to. Bye!